If you love to create, you dig decor, and you're all about DIY done easy, then the new Club Couture program from Chalk Couture is for you. Here's 6 reasons it's the hottest subscription box going. 1. You get an 8.5 by 11 reusable silk screen transfer, new each month. Plus 3 Chalkology paste singles in coordinating colors so you can create a great project, or 2 or 3. 2. Your monthly kit ships free. 3. You get low flat rate shipping on additional orders from your independent designer's website on any and all Chalk Couture products all the time. 4. Get access to secret sales and special deals throughout the year. 5. Now you'll also get a free Chalk Couture catalog twice a year mailed right to your home. 6. Also new, when you sign up today, you'll be getting this month's kit as your first subscription box, which means it ships free and any other items you add to your order will have that low flat rate shipping, no waiting. Exclusivity, versatility, and fun, all just for $19.99 US, $26.99 Canadian. Now that is DIY done right. Talk to your independent designer today about the all-new Club Couture.